Hey, how you doing? So today I'm going to go through a list of the states in the United States that had the most school shootings, where at least one person died, in the school shooting. Though they were killed, murdered. And I'm going to go through the states in terms of, from the ones where there were the least amount of school shootings to the most. I think every state had at least one school shooting. This is since 1970. Okay, so there are three states that only had one uh, incident. Those were Vermont, North Dakota, and Wyoming. Um, West Virginia had two incidences. Idaho had two incidences. Maine had two instances. New Hampshire had two. And then there are three states that had three shootings. One was South Dakota, the other Hawaii, and Alaska. Um, then there's one state that had four, which was Montana. One state was six, which was Rhode Island. One state was seven, which was Utah. Two states with eight, Delaware and Nebraska. Um, uh, and then there are two states that are tied at 10, Iowa and Minnesota. Um, Arizona had 11, New Mexico had 11, uh, Oklahoma had 11. There's one state with 12, which was Massachusetts. Two states with 13, Kansas and Kentucky. Nevada had 14. And two states with 15 were Oregon and New Jersey. Uh, Wisconsin had 16, Connecticut 17. There were two at 18, which were Mississippi at 18, and same with Arkansas. Then Colorado had 21. The state of Washington had 23. South Carolina 26. Virginia 27. And Indiana 29. So, Indiana had the most. Yeah, I didn't see on this list. I didn't see District of Columbia mentioned at all. But so far, anyway. No, there's some more. Missouri had 35. North Carolina had 36. Georgia had 39. Alabama had 39, and so did Louisiana. Tennessee had 45. Maryland had 49. 53 goes to New York. 56 goes to Pennsylvania. Ohio at 57. Michigan at 66. Florida 74. Illinois 84. Texas 126. And California is number one at 157. So sorry about that mistake before, but it's kind of late here. But anyway, yeah. Again, I didn't see the District of Columbia mentioned here, so I'd be curious if places like Puerto Rico have them. But uh, anyway, this is something to think about and to figure out a way to stop these. So good luck.